I wasn't really feeling it. I guess I wasn't feeling inspired to spin. But as well, I just had so much other stuff to do that I couldn't think of sitting down at the spinning wheel because it was such a luxury way to spend time. And fast forward to now, 2025, when I'm almost 50 years old, and I've been in this business and in doing weaving for quite a long time now, and especially from a business perspective and a work perspective, I've realised how incredibly important it is for me to do things that fill my cup. They can still benefit other people as well, but I really have to set aside that extra time for things that I might previously have thought of as luxury time, but it's actually essential time. So if you're stuck in the trap of not allowing yourself time to do the things that you genuinely love and enjoy and that just make you feel so fulfilled, then I urge you to try to reconsider your schedule, whatever it takes, just how you spend your time so that you can do that for yourself, because it's life-changing.